Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 13 Exponent and Power. Exponent power means like this. Exponent power means 2 power 3, 5 power 4, etc. etc. So exercise 13.1, find the value of that is first part 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means we will write that 2 6 times. 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. That is a 64 answer. And then similarly 11, that is a third part. Next this part you can do 11 power 2, that is 11 into 11. So 121. Similarly fourth part you can do, no problem will be there. Only here you multiply. And then second question, express the following in exponential form. Exponential form is like this. First part 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is given 4 times. So first of all you will write a 6. 1 2 3 4. So you will be write the power 4. And then third part that b into b into b, b into b into b into b, so that you will be write the b same thing, and 1 2 3 4 times, that is a 4 power. And then fourth part also 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So similarly 5 into 7 you will be right, and then you will be count the 5 how many times, 1 2 times, so 2 power is there, 1 2 3 times, so 3 power will be here. And then see the last part, 6 part a into a into a into a into a into c 1 2 3 4 times, c into d, so that this is also simple. A into c into d we will write here, and then 1 2 3 times, so 3 we will write, and then this is the 4 times, so that will be right 4. And then you can write like this also, a power 3 c 4 and d also you can write, or this one or this one are the same thing. And then question number 3, express each of the following number using the exponential form. Exponential form means that is the like this. First part 512, the factor of 512. First of all we will make the 512 factors, that is 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 2 6 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 8 ja 2 6 ja 2 4 ja 2 32 ja 2 16 ja 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. So every pair is only 2, so that we will write the 2 and count that how many times is there, 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 times. So we will place the power 9, that is a exponential form. And then similarly that one also you will be see that this second part is no problem is there, this is smaller. And then third part, so that is a see the fourth part directly, 3125. 3125 is equal to, that will be 3125, so that is 5 6 ja 30, and then 5 2 ja 5 5 ja, and then 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 5 5 2 ja 5 5 ja, and then 5 5 5 1 ja, so that is a 5 has come on 1 2 3 4 5, so that will be place the power 5. Similarly you can do second part and third part also. And then question number 4, identify the greater number where possible if each of the following, wherever possible. So that first part 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. So you're looking, that is here 4 power 3 and this is 3 power 4. So greater is 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is greater because power is more than this one. Power is more than this one, so that is a greater. And then similarly you can see that third part 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. 8 power 2. So that is obviously that will be greater. 2 power 8 is greater than 8 power 2. And then see the fourth part 100 power 2 or 2 power 100. So 100 power is greater than base. So 2 power 100 is greater. Similarly you can do that also. Fifth question, express each the following as product of power of their prime factors. So that 648. So first of all you will be convert that in 648 in a prime factors. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, and then again 2 by 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, and then again by 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja, and then by 3 27 ja, so by 3 9 ja, and by 3 3 ja, and the 3 1 ja. So that we have a two type of factors, that is a 2 and 3. So that 2 is 1 2 3 time, so power 3. 3 also has 3 times, so that power is also 3. And then similarly you will be do other part also, and then see that last part 36 0 0. So that will be here 36 0 0 by 2 2 18 ja, and by 2 9 ja, and then by 2 45 ja, and then by 2 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, and then by 3 3 7 ja, 3 5 ja, and then by 3 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, and then by 5 1 ja. So that we have a three type of factors, that is a 2 3 and 5, and then 2 1 2 3 4 time is there, and 3 only 2 time is there, and then 5 is also 2 time is there. So this is the answer. And next question is sixth question, that is simplify. Simplify means we will write in the simple form 2 into 10 power, that is 3. So that is 2 into 10 power 3 means we will write here 3 zeros. So that is 2 1 ja 2, and then 3 0. Third part, so second part, that is a 7 power 2 multiply 2 power 2. So that is 7 power 2 means 7 multiply 7 plus multiply 2 multiply 2. So that 7 to 14, 7 to 14, 14 14 is 196, and then like this you will write. And then another more part, see that is a fifth part. 0 multiply 10 power, that is 2. So if you will be multiply by 0 any number, then that will be 0. And then seventh part, that is 2 power 4 and multiply 3 power 2. So that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So that 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, and then 3 3 is 9, 16 9 ja 144. And then last part also, see that eighth part we have a space here, 3 power 2 multiply 10 power 4. So that 3 power 2 means 3 into 3 multiply 10 power 4 means we will write here 4 zeros. So 3 3 are 9 and then 1 2 3 4 zeros. And then next is 7th question. Next is 7th question. Simplify. Simplify, that's also same type of question. -4 power 2 and then, sorry, that is a 3. So -4 into -4. So that 1 2 3 times minus is coming. So that is 3 is odd. So that will be minus 4 plus 16. 16 4 ja 64. And then see the third part. Second part you can do -3 square and then multiply -5 square. So that is -3 multiply -3 multiply -5 multiply -5. So first of all we will count the sign. How many times minus has come? 1 2 3 4 times. So 4, that is a even. So we will not write the here minus, that will become plus. So 5 3 15, 5 3 15, 15 15 ja 225. And then fourth part of this one, -2 power 3 and then multiply -10 power 3. So that -2 multiply -2 multiply -2 multiply -10 multiply -10 multiply -10. So count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 times minus is coming. So that is a even. So that will become plus 2 to 4 to 8 and then 1 2 3 zeros will be right similarly. And then last question, compare the number. That is the first part. 2.7 into 10 power 12 and then 1.5 into 10 power 8. So which is a greater? So this power is greater, so this number will be greater. 2.7 into 10 power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 power 8. And then second part of this one also, 4 into 10 power 14 and then 3 into 10 power 17 is equal to, so 17 power is greater, so that will be greater. 4 into 10 power 14 is smaller than 3 into 10 power 17. That is the answer. And then we can check that also. This answer, yes, that is a greater, this is a greater. Okay.